Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, back in New York. Wow, what a great trip I had in Calgary. A huge turnout for the Larry Berman event, the biggest actually turnout ever. Over 500 people showed up at the Ramada Plaza. Larry did a really great presentation. It was so great to see so many of my traders and finally meet them. But it's good to be back in New York too. All right, so before we get to today's Whisper, let's talk about Friday's Whisper. Friday, I was watching 4 stocks. If you recall, I was bullish on GE above this 27.25 level, and you can see it rocked all the way to 27.70, came back down. I actually didn't catch the first run. I caught the second run after it bounced off this 27.25 level up to 27.50. So many of the traders were rocking this. The pre-market Bandit, I think, rocked this like 5 times. Roxy rocked it for 22 cents. Also had my eye on Unilever. And if you recall, I was bullish above that 44.80 level and bearish below 40.70. I took a short on this as soon as it broke below that. Got a nice 20 cents on that one. Also, Nokia. Remember we saw those big prints at $7.77. I was bearish below $7.75. It didn't even go above that. In fact, came all the way down. Spotting some more prints this morning at $7.57. So keep your eye on $7.60. All right, bullish above and bearish below $7.57. And the SPY, right? Who could forget the SPY? The SPY, I was bearish below this 209 level, and this thing came all the way back down to this 207.50. So many of the traders were shorting this in the pit. Let's see, Alessio had some great trades. The Cowboy rocked the VXX. Felix rocked SDS, that's the bear ETF. But the trader of the day goes to Dr. Howard. This guy rocked it on the SPY puts. He had the 210.50s, the 210. And then he said that he made enough money to close shop this morning and go golfing. God, I love this job. Anyway, so what is today's Whisper? What are we watching today? Well, earnings season. Morgan Stanley came out this morning. I've had my eye on this 37.50 level. This is such a strong level, so I'm going to draw a line in the sand here. Going to be bullish above it. Actually, going to move that up a little bit. Above 37.50 and bearish below 37. All right, so keep your eye on those two levels. Also have my eye on the emerging markets. Huge 6 million print here after the close on Friday at 42.70. So I'm going to be bullish above 42.75 and going to be bearish below 42.60, but this 42.50 big level. So if it breaks even below that, look down below on that one. Also have my eye on PBR. I've been loving this one since that 825 level. So I spotted some price action in between 890 and about this 897 level. So I'm going to be bullish above 9. You can see there's a lot of room on the upside if she can break up above that. But before I go, I got to tell you it's Cyber Monday. And I am so excited about this Cyber Monday because I'm going to be doing my new workshop. What's inside the candle? All right, so you can use this coupon for this live event. It's going to be 3 hours long. It's valued at $199, but you can take $50 off for the first 20 people that sign up today. Use the coupon code 50OFF. And in this workshop, I'm going to be showing you how to take those high probability candlestick patterns, you know, the 70% ones, the 75%, and increase that up to 90% by looking what's inside the candle. I'm going to teach you how to read the tape. I'm going to teach you how to spot levels, the best levels to trade off of, also how to spot insider trading, and how to spot a correction. So come watch me trade along with my amazing traders at the Java Pit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody.